Hi everyone, you're welcome to Life Essential Talk, where we talk about a whole lot of things. This space is for clarity, growth, and conversations that matter. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. And to our returning listeners, thank you for always being part of this journey. Thank you so much. Today we're discussing something many people think about but don't often discuss it openly. Does a man's sexual performance really decline with age? Let's talk about it. As a man grows older, his body naturally changes. Testosterone levels may reduce. Erections may take longer. Stamina may not be what it used to be. And recovery may increase. That's recovery time may increase. This is not a disease. It is a normal part of aging. But this does not mean the end of a man's sexual life. Many men still enjoy satisfying intimacy as they grow older. In fact, what may reduce in speed or frequency is often replaced by experience, emotional connection, and deeper understanding between partners. What truly affects performance is not just age, but overall health and lifestyle. Conditions like high blood pressure or diabetes, stress, alcohol use, smoking, and lack of exercise all play a major role. In many cases, a healthy older man performs better than an unhealthy younger one. There is also the mental aspect. Worrying about performance. Will I be able to satisfy my wife? Feeling pressured or constantly questioning one's ability to actually, or should I say, can actually reduce confidence. It can do a whole lot of wrong. A relaxed mind, open communication, and emotional safety makes a big difference. Now, from the counselor, should I say, from a counseling perspective, intimacy is not just about strength or duration, it's about connection, understanding, and mutual satisfaction. With age, intimacy often shifts from performance to meaning. And when there are persistent concerns such as difficulty with erection, loss of desire, or discomfort, please, it's important to seek medical advice. Help is available, and no one should suffer in silence. So yes, sexual performance may change with age, but it is not simply a decline. It is an adjustment, and in many ways, an opportunity for deeper and more meaningful intimacy. Thank you so much for listening. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Life Essential Talk. You never know who might need this message. Feel free to share your thoughts. Feel free to ask questions in the comment section. We are here to learn together. So until next time, see you guys. Cheers.